As always, welcome back to the channel. This is Oston called Cypher, back again with another video on the jQuery UI. So we are dealing with the user interface, designing those cool interfaces. So as I always tell you, please, before doing anything, make sure you include these files in the head section of your project. Right now, for me, I downloaded the files from this site, jQueryui.com/theme roller, and you will download the desired theme you want to use in your project. So there are very many types of themes you can use. Right now I'm using this theme called UI Lightness. You're going to see how it looks like, but you can get even more better themes than this one we are using right now. But remember, if you are to use this online CDN, make sure you're connected to the internet. So make sure not only if you're connected to the internet, that's when you use the CDN. So that's when you use this content delivery network content. So that's when you will use it. Once again, I'm repeating myself. So guys, if you already have the file, make sure you include it in your head section, and please make sure you follow the order. First is the UI CSS, followed by the jQuery.js, and lastly you end it with the jQuery-UI.js. So that's how even me, I ordered my stuff, because I don't know what happens, but some link may override the other and things fail to run on your web page. So that's what I advise you to do. Make sure you order them correctly. And here at the top you are seeing I'm having Bootstrap included in my file or project. So that one is going to enable us design, so display some cool looking interface, and the rest will be for the jQuery UI. As you can see, this is the custom and we are using it. Even we can remove it from the stuff, but its role is to leave some padding here, the jump tron. So this is what we are going to be looking at, how to create a autocomplete search engine. So let's say you're on my YouTube channel or my website or web page, and you're looking for some specific content on my website or web page, and you come into this search engine. Focus on the search engine, your cursor there, and you start typing. Let's say you want HTML, and they will give you the option of HTML. Yeah, it's already there. The same applies when you want like PHP, or you write P. Any word or content that has letter P will be displayed in the search engine. So as you can see, Visual Basic, Bootstrap, Ajax. So this autocomplete, we are just getting the UI design, but if you want to create something dynamic, you can use Ajax PHP. So it contacts with the server side languages, databases, then they auto complete this search engine to the user's interface. So you can use either this manually searched engine or use the dynamic search engines using those server-side scripting languages like Ajax, PHP, Python. So that's what we are going to be looking at today, creating this autocomplete feature or search engine. As you can see, when I put R, every content or value that has R will be displayed. When the user gets the content he or she wants, places the search button. So all this design, I made it easier using Bootstrap. So when I reload this page, you are going to be left with some empty page. Let's start this from scratch. I don't know why, I'm kinda getting out of words. Now to achieve this, we have to create a div. We create a div, and we are going to give this div a class of UI-widget. Widget, I call it widget, but someone will say widget. Then we create a form. we create a form, and we are going to give this a class of form group. So all these stylings are made possible by Bootstrap. Then I'm going to put some label, and this label will be search channel content, and I will say for, let me say, search for, let me first get this one, input text ID. I say auto search. So this one is supposed to be for auto search. It's option, but I prefer it using, because I may need to capture it by JavaScript, so I prefer using this label for auto search. So this label is for this input field. Then let me save it and show you how it looks like. I'm saying it's some funny looking input field, but if we add this class of form control, it will be now structured out in a good way. So as you can see, we are progressing. Then I tap down, I put some break tag and create a button. This is going to be search, and again this is the funny looking button using HTML. Then I'll give it some class, btn dash primary, so it's going to be blue in color. Yes, now so far so good. Let's create the other icon you are seeing. So I'll put a span tag, opening and closing span tag. Then the first opening span tag will give it a class of graphicon, then graphicon dash search. So graphicon, save that, and we shall have this search icon. So this is the design. We have completed it. Now it's time to use the jQuery UI functions to achieve this. Now for this, remember we gave this input field the ID of auto search, and that's the main focus where we are going to achieve our search engine from. Then we go up where we're having our custom jQuery. So this is where we are going to be running our code from. First of all, we shall create a variable here, var. So you can name it anything you want. I'm just going to call it channel content, and I'm going to pass an array of different programming languages I want, like let's say HTML, go outside it, comma, open double quotes, CSS, comma, PHP, comma, we are going to use Ajax. So these are the different options I want the user to get from the search engine. There is, let's say, C programming. I also have that on my channel, you can check it out. We are having e-commerce. We can use C. I have also C++. So these are the different types of content you want the user to be. These are the types which will be filtered whenever the user is searching on your channel or website or web page. So even that's how even Google at times works. Before you completing something and it's already giving you the content. Let's say bootstrap, So I can put comma. I don't know, so you can put as many as you want. Lastly, let me put what? jQuery. How can I forget what we are doing right now? jQuery UI. When it's done, put those semicolon, then come down and target our ID. Say $, hash, auto search. So the ID, this is the ID we gave to the form. As you can see here, this is the ID we gave to the input field, auto search. And here we are going to say dot autocomplete. We pass this method called autocomplete method, and open curly brackets. Immediately in between those, put a semicolon here, and we write source. So write source. Where do you want this autocomplete to get the data from? We want it to get the data or values from this variable we created. So you say source full colon, then you write channel content. So you are telling it, hey, when the user focuses in the input field, which is having this ID of auto search, it will fire off this method and get the source from the variable here. Save that, refresh our web page, and check out this. When I write HTML comes. Are you seeing anything that is having H will pop up, either lowercase or uppercase? B, bootstrap will come out. A, Ajax bootstrap. So J, jQuery Ajax will pop up. So that's how you can create a simple autocomplete search engine. And when the user is comfortable with what he or she is looking for, places the search button and he'll get the content he or she wants. So this is just the best autocomplete feature I can show you using the jQuery UI or user interface. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I will see you in the next tutorials. So everything that is having C will pop up. CSS, C programming, C++. So that's it, guys. C prog. So this is what you have to write. Remember, this document.ready tells the browser, hey, don't fire off any function until the document is ready. So document ready, pass the anonymous function and close it here down. So, and everything inside will be for our autocomplete feature. You say var, you give your variable name, it can be any, then you pass an array of things you want to be filtered in the search engine, and close off. Then target the ID you gave to the input field, which is the auto search. Then apply this method to it. Inside it, you open this curly brackets. You put the source where it's going to be getting the values from. So it's going to be getting from this variable, and place the variable there. So when the user focuses here and puts C, he'll get all these contents you're seeing on the screen. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial was useful to you. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it on different social medias. Remember, include either the CDN for your project to run if you are connected to the internet, or go to the jQueryui.com and download the different types of themes you want. Peace. Hey, I'm looking for subscribers. There are no subscribers in this search engine. Please subscribe. I get some details in this search engine. Oh, bye bye.